now for the legal side of real estate. You got questions, you got problems, we got a guy who can answer those questions and problems. Kurt Franke. And Kurt, it is great to have you back here.
Thank you, great to see you.
It's adding a nice little touch to the House Detective. Everybody tells me they get so much from the program. There's so much good information. You're going to help us today in talking about contingencies, appraisals, those kinds of things.
Well, as most people know, I think every real estate contract is filled with contingencies and conditions precedent, which really means something that must happen prior to close of escrow, or the buyer can walk away. The main one I was going to talk about today is the appraisal contingency. I don't think a lot of people understand that your house, although the buyer may have given you a $290,000 offer and you agreed on the price, the house still has to appraise at that value, or the buyer won't get funding. If it doesn't appraise at that value, the buyer can walk. So I think maybe the message is more practical, less legal. It's how to value your house, how to price it for the market.
This is very good information. And Kurt's right, a lot of people don't think about that. You love the house, you put in an offer, they accept the offer, and then you find out the appraisal doesn't come through, then the buyer doesn't have to buy, is what you're saying.
And that's exactly right. It's a condition precedent to every real estate contract. So I think the person that can help you in that is probably your real estate broker. They can run comparable sales in the area of houses with the same type of features as yours has. Then they can give you a range, and rather than price your house too high and later get a bad surprise that the buyer can walk, or they're now offering you $20,000 less than you agreed upon, it's, I think, better to have an idea going in.
I do too. And I think what I'm hearing is that if you have questions, whether it's regarding appraisals or conditions precedent or any of those items, call Kurt. He can answer them for you. This is a field that he specializes in, is knowing real estate. Give me your phone number and your website address.
827-6100, or LOCAF, L-O-K-A-F, short for Law Offices KurtAFranke.com.
Law Offices KurtAFranke.com, locaf.com. Go there. I know I've gotten phone calls because people say, I didn't catch that email address, so we want to stress it. And also one more time on the phone number, Kurt.
827-6100.
And he can help you if you got questions regarding real estate. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dick.
Appreciate you being here. Looking forward to you coming back.
Me too.
Okay. All right, well, let's take a look.